What's your schedule looking like for the next 2 weeks?
I have family visiting.
Oh.
So maybe like September
Oh.
or maybe end of August.
Yeah, I really feel like we should go. It's gonna be so much fun.
Yes, we really want to go. Conrad Spa, like the children. We need to rest. We need a stay.
Yeah, it's
for sure.
Festival, please.
Mommy,
haven't festival in a long time. Mama, please.
Of course.
Okay, let's. All
Guys,
right,
you heard them.
Festival.
We have to make festival.
All right, let's go make some festival.
Let's go. Come on.
Hey guys.
Wagwan. Welcome back to JerkVibe. The children requested festival today, so we're gonna make it for them. Let's get started. So guys, in here we have about 3 cups of flour, and now we're just gonna add about 3/4 cup of cornmeal into it. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder.
Next, we're gonna add in about 1/3 cup of sugar.
And then we're just gonna mix it.
A pinch of nutmeg.
Guys, you don't need much nutmeg. It's just for a little flavor. To add a little razzle dazzle. And then, we're gonna add in some butter.
Excuse me,
We're gonna crumble the butter in it.
What on earth is a festival?
Bruh.
I'll let you explain. Go ahead.
A festival is kind of like a sweet dumpling. It's spongy, it's airy, it's light, it's fluffy, it's crispy and soft on the outside, but extra soft on the inside. It's not fried dumpling.
Yes.
It's sweeter. It's different.
It's different.
It's shaped different. It's more like a
oval, like the longer, the longer shaped dumpling.
Fried dumpling is more round. So yeah, that's fried dumpling.
And festival, you can eat it for breakfast. Festival, you could eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack. You could eat it anytime with any meal for a little treat.
Yes, the children, they love it. So that's why we're making it. So guys, we're gonna add some oil to the pot. We're using peanut oil, but you can use any oil that you have. So good.
Sweet, fluffy, crispy on the outside,
Soft on the inside.
We eat with it.
Festival.
Escovitch with it.
Festival.
Saltfish with it.
Festival.
Jerk chicken with it.
Festival.
Fried chicken with it.
Festival.
Every chicken with it.
Festival.
Chicken with it.
Festival.
Festival.
Hey, festival.
Hey, drop a comment and say
Festival.
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 Drop a comment and say
Festival.
festival.
Hey,
Festival.
festival.
Hey, we are going to eat with it.
Festival. When me look like
Festival.
when you know they have festival. Hey, bully beef with it.
Festival.
Hey, salt butter with it.
Festival and
Red